Okay guys, just jumped in the car and I had a warning come up here on the display on the dashboard. Obviously looks like some code, looks like something to do with the tyres. It's got a tyre symbol there with a I in the middle of it, if you can see that. And then it's come up here with a system check one message. So that's a bit unusual, I've never seen that before. Okay. There we go. Check tyre pressure. So there's something wrong with the pressure levels of the car. Something to do with the TPMS, the tyre pressure system has picked up a fault, or I'm running low on air in one of the tyres. Just did a walk around the car to see what these tyres are like. They seem fine, doesn't seem like they're flat or anything like that. It's got to be something. Righto guys, just a small tip. I always like to leave this in my glove box in the Focus. It's obviously very important. Make sure that you're running the right PSI in your tyres for your Focus. And it's also a safety thing too, I believe. It definitely plays a big part in obviously the handling, the feeling of the car. So like I said, for $20 odd, it's definitely worth it guys. So we'll go around now and check all the tyres on the car and make sure that they're running the right PSI in the tyres. Righto, let's go do it. Okay, seems like we might have found the problem. This one's sitting at 23 PSI. So it might have a leak somewhere to do with the valve, or it just needs air, or it might have a nail in it or a screw or something. Righto guys, I think I've found the culprit of it. It's a bloody screw in the tyre. Bummer. I don't know if you guys can see that. There it is there. So at least I could say I've had my first screw in the Focus RS. It's a bit of a shame. Seems like I've got bad luck with this tyre. This was the same rim, I should say, that I scraped the last time getting it up in the driveway, and now I've got a bloody screw in it. So I'm going to have to take it to the local tyre shop and get them to take it out and see if they can plug it. Don't you love it guys? Everyone wants to play with the Focus RS, but it's just not worth it guys. Not worth losing your license. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, my first screw in the Focus RS. But all jokes aside guys, that video was there just to show you guys in regards to the TPMS, the tyre pressure system. I guess it is a good thing that it's built in with the Focus. I was thinking about it before, could imagine, you know, if we didn't have that system built into the car, You know, it could be quite dangerous being on the freeway doing 110 kilometers an hour and you get a blowout, or you know, even driving normal. You know, it could damage your rim, or you know, body damage. It could be up in the thousands. So yeah, that system's there. It's a plus side. It's a bonus. It's telling you that, you know, hey, there is a problem. Go get it checked out. Obviously, you know, before you head off on your journey and drive, and then you're stuck. So I guess that's the good thing with it. You know, if you are a lazy person, it's telling you. Now, only the other day I had another warning come up on the dashboard or on the display telling me that my washer jet bottle, the fluids were low, and you know, that's a good thing, you know. So guys, as always, hope you've enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Plenty more videos coming your way, and like always guys, thanks. Cheers.